It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 1st of November. I'm Michael Groff. Dry conditions, temperatures pretty close to seasonal averages to begin this week, a little bit warmer later in the week, but overall, no major changes in the weather pattern for the foreseeable future, and no shot at any rain anytime soon. Let's talk about it. First, yesterday, to close out the month of October, 88 degrees for your Halloween. 62 was the morning low, and that's just a little bit above where we ought to be for this time of year. As we take a look outside right now at 5:45 a.m., mostly cloudy sky to begin this day. A lot of high clouds around, and that's meant for a warmer start. 64 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew point at 37, relative humidity 37%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. The upper air look shows a mainly zonal flow here across most of the nation, and that means conditions are very quiet. Check it out, the watch warning map. We've got a little freeze warning there in parts of Iowa and Illinois, a winter weather advisory for southeastern Wyoming and Nebraska, and that's it. Convective outlook, of course, also quiet with most of the nation in stable air. And in the tropics, we've got one of these little junk storms, a mid-latitude cyclone that the National Hurricane Center out of boredom has named Subtropical Storm Wanda. But this is a fish storm, folks. It's not going anywhere. It's not going to affect anyone. Here's the precipitation outlook. This is valid through next Monday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, nothing. Region-wide, basically nothing, as the weather pattern remains very tranquil for quite a while. And we'll talk about that as we dive into models. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. A very weak flat ridge here, mostly a westerly or zonal flow in place. Quite a bit of high cloudiness around today. We'll call it partly sunny down at the surface, and high temperatures this afternoon in the mid-80s. Tonight, the sky is partly cloudy with overnight lows in the mid-50s to low 60s. And then tomorrow, some high clouds in the morning. Otherwise, will become mostly sunny by the afternoon. High temperatures again, mid-80s. Same thing on Wednesday. Mid-80s are likely. The sky remains sunny. On Thursday, a ridge will try to build in here across the southwest in response to troughing off the Pacific Northwest coast, so temperatures might warm to the mid and upper 80s. Friday, mid-80s again with sunny sky, and that's going to be the case for the weekend too. Low to mid-80s each day for Saturday and Sunday. The sky remains sunny, the air mass dry. Here's a week from today. This is Monday, the 8th of November. Zonal flow with a deep low there just south of the Gulf of Alaska off the Pacific Northwest coast, but the main storm track remains far to the north of us, so that looks dry and seasonal. And going out 10 days, this is Wednesday, the 10th of November, a trough moving into the west. But even if this plays out as advertised here, we would see the southern periphery of that system temperatures would back off a bit with some breezes around, but no meaningful chances of precipitation. And speaking of that, here's a look at rainfall for Phoenix. This runs out through the 15th of November, coming off of the European ensemble. Just not much. A scattering of members show some light precip around here. The ensemble mean around 1/10 of an inch, but no real significant chances for meaningful rain. And temperatures off the national blend of models doesn't get much more consistent than this. Highs mostly in the mid-80s, lows mainly in the upper 50s to around 60 on most days. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I invite you to check out my streaming station, KMGX. Put a link to that in the description for a lot of music, a lot of fun over there. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe out there and have a great Monday.